Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Private Jobs for Engineers, Graduate Engineering Trainee at Sandvik Asia Private Limited, Pune. Sandvik is a Swedish multinational engineering company specializing in metal cutting, digital and additive manufacturing, mining and construction, stainless and special steel alloys, and industrial heating. Sandvik Asia Private Limited, Pune is a member of the International Sandvik Group, Sweden. Sandvik Mining and Rock Solutions is a leading supplier in equipment and tools, services and technical solutions for the mining and construction industries. In 2020, the Sandvik Group had approximately 37,000 employees and revenues about 86 billion SEK in more than 160 countries. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Experience required for the post is fresher or 0 to 1 year. That means 2021 batch also can apply. Now, let us see who can apply for this post. Mechanical engineers and production engineers can apply for this post. For getting full details about this opportunity, please watch our video fully. You are watching the channel Engine Jobs for You. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. From our channel, every day 10 am we will upload government jobs for engineers, and every day 5 pm we will upload private jobs for engineers. Now, let us see the details about this opportunity. Company name is Sandvik. Post name is Graduate Engineering Trainee. Deadline of this application will be in July 24. Location of posting will be in Pune. Job ID is R030617. Job category is in engineering. Job description: to carry out activities related to production department of our rock tools divisions and the production unit in Pune, we are now looking for a graduate engineering trainee. Position responsibilities: to maintain the global level of safety requirements, ensuring the process and equipments meet the safety standards, 100% compliance for EHS standards, prove out of parts, setup of CNC machines and its operation, and make required documentation, responsible for production planning and execution of day-to-day production, integral part of team in installation and commissioning of new equipment and process, make process and fixtures drawing, support team in CAD drawing and layout drawing, coordinating with the plant engineering, manufacturing engineering for scheduling of new product development and project activities, to support and facilities 5S and point Kaizen's activities for operations, etc. Education is a graduate engineer within mechanical or production engineering is required. Other required competencies: familiar with best personal safety practices in manufacturing industry, basic knowledge in industrial engineering, manufacturing process, knowledge in 5S, lean manufacturing, etc. Familiar with manufacturing operation and CNC machines, working hands-on in CAD tools, ability to adapt and implement modern technology quickly, good oral and written communication skills, proficiency in MS Office, positive attitude and ready to take up challenges, etc. Role is more graduate engineering training. Industry type is mining and rock technology. Functional area is production, manufacturing, maintenance. Employment type is full-time permanent. How to apply? Interested candidates can see the detailed notification and can apply online through the website as shown on screen. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for the details of this job opportunity from our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Every day we will upload government jobs and private jobs for engineers. For the next job news video, please subscribe our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Thank you.